Hello, my name is Salman and I am a game developer at GameSum Studios. I'm from Pakistan. So here's my office and it's almost 10:30 p.m. So there is no one in the office and due to some bugs I have to stay here. So ये मेरा ऑफिस है. सिर्फ एक रमज़ान भाई बैठे हुए हैं वहाँ पे दूर, शायद आपको नज़र आ रहे हो. बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल डेवलपर हैं. अगर मैं अपना फोकस करूँ थोड़ा सा, काफ़ी प्रोफेशनल डेवलपर हैं एंड्रॉयड की. और मुझे आई कम्प्लीटेड माई 1 year in this company and I built a lot of games related to car parking, car racing, bike stunts, shooting games, and not working on multiplayer games, but right now I am working on 2D games mostly, and my most of tasks is related to ads integration, ad mob mediation, unity mediation, iron source, and integral, and so on like that. So here's my first blog, and if you guys like my videos, so please subscribe my channel and press the thumbnail for my upcoming and latest videos. And in this channel I will motivate you related to development as well. So right now I am working on iOS build. So here's my system, and I face a bug and finally my bug is resolved, and here's a testing device for the game test. So डेवलपर की लाइफ ऐसे ही होती है. बस कोई भी बग आ गया तो आपको लेट शीटिंग करनी पड़ सकती है. So if you guys having any question related to development and related to game perspective, Android development, so it's Ramzan Bhai who is professional developer. So I will catch her in the next video. So stay tuned guys, and thank you for watching.